Hi, I'm Jenny, the social media manager at Autoshop Solutions. Positive customer reviews can help increase your sales and credibility during follow-up calls or through email reminders. Many customers are happy to leave a review if they've had a positive experience, but they may not think to do it on their own. So ask them. Encourage reviews from satisfied customers. Offer a small discount or incentive for customers who leave a review. This can encourage more customers to share their experience. Promote positive reviews. Highlighting positive reviews on your website or social media can show the quality of your service and encourage others to leave their feedback. Responding to reviews. Engage with both positive and negative reviews. Thank your customers for their positive feedback and promptly and professionally address any issues raised in negative reviews. This shows that you value your customers' opinions and are committed to improving your service. Do good, honest work. The foundation of positive reviews is providing high-quality, reliable service with good customer support. Maintain the integrity of your work and the 5-star reviews will follow. Thanks for watching. To learn more or ask a question we can feature in an Autoshop Academy video, please use the link below or email our team. For more Autoshop Academy videos, please visit our website and subscribe to our YouTube channel.